Welcome, in front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. And as you can see, the device in front of me is already locked, so I'm gonna show you how to bypass this. Now, before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a connection to the internet, which if I go back, you will see that I am already connected. There we go. You can see it right here. So we want to connect also to the network. And from there, you want to stay on the same page. So if it takes you forward after connection, you want to go back here. And then you want to scroll all the way down to add network. And then in the name, just type whatever, doesn't really matter. Press whatever letters and then select whatever it's there. So once you select it, you will have the couple options right here. And you're interested in the assist. And we're going to say no thanks. And then here in the search, we're just going to type in a website, so HardReset.Info. Like so, just let's remove, there we go, space. And it gives you a couple options, so just open up with Chrome. Accept and continue, we don't want to sign in. And we're now on the website. So from here, tap on the three bars up here and choose download category. And in the download category, you want to search for Android 8. Like so, you can see Android 8, and let's search. And you'll have only one thing here, so FRP bypass up right there. Tap on the download, scroll down, and choose download once more. And let's update permissions so we can actually download this. Allow, OK. And you can see that it has finished downloading. So tap on open, tap on the link again. And we need to allow the phone to actually install this, so let's go into the settings, and here, where is it? Unknown sources, so it's right at the end. You can see right here, enable the unknown sources, tap OK, and now we can go back and do that once more, and this time we should be able to install it. And once it's finished installing, you want to open it. And from here, you want to tap on the Google Account Manager APK install and select for version 6.0. And again, same process, we're going to install. If it needs, we're going to allow it. Actually, that didn't need anything, so tap on done. And it should be back in the app. From here, tap on the other button, the bypass FRP, and select browser sign in. And from here, tap on the three dots, and again, tap on the browser sign in. OK. And there we go. So you have option now to log in with Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account, you can always create one and then come back to the device and put it in here. I strongly advise you to do it on the computer if you're going to be creating one. Now, I already have one, so that's what I'm going to use. Then tap on next, and I'm gonna put in the password for this. And then tap on sign in, and you'll see that it's signing in, and once it has, it will go straight back to the FRP bypass app. So from here, hold the power key, slide down to power off. Actually, we just wanted to reboot, but the outcome is going to be still the same. So let's wait for it to shut off, and at that point I'm going to turn it back on. So let's hold the power key to turn it back on. Okay, so from here, just go to the setup of the device as quick as you can. So let's stick with English, continue, skip, continue. Skip, skip. I guess we have to log in with some kind of Google account. In a normal circumstance, it would just use the one that we have added right before the reset, but as you can see, here we have to sign in. This is previously where the screen for verification was present. Now you can also see that the screen is completely gone now, and you can use whatever email you want. So again, I'm going to use the HardReset one that I used previously. Yeah, cool that it exists. Now, how do I... disconnect and skip, continue, continue, skip, continue, confirm, continue, and finish. So it looked like I needed to disconnect from the network for this to work. It looked like it was just a bug, because normally, like I said, it should show the account that we have added as no one added. And when I was trying to log in, it already said that the account is added, which doesn't really sit right there. But after you disconnect from network, it should work just fine. So from here, once you're on the home screen, as I am right now, let's go into the settings. Go down to settings right here. And scroll all the way down to backup and reset. And tap on this, not this one, my bad. Actually, no, yeah, this one. So reset factory settings right here, and you get a message that this will remove, well, every app, music, whatever, all the data from it. And it also includes the email that we have inputted here, but it also includes the email that it doesn't provide here, which is the one that was blocking us previously. So let's just tap on the bottom, set phone, reset, and the process will begin. Now, once the device is finished resetting, we should be back in the setup screen, and from there you can set up your device as however you like, and at that point it will be fully unlocked. So I'll be back once we can see the setup screen. You can see the process is finished, so we can go to the setup again. Now, I'm gonna skip through most of this just to save on time, but you can set up your device as however you like I said before. And there we go. So as you've seen, there was no need for verification, connection to internet, no nothing. And the device, like I said before, is now fully unlocked, and you can do basically everything on it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.